Hello, welcome back to ReddyControls. In this video, we're going to learn about SFC. This is what a working SFC looks like in Studio 5000. A clear step-by-step sequence controlling a real industrial process. But where does this come from and how does this fit into modern PLC programming? Let's break it down. The SFC you just saw is actually one of the 5 programming languages defined by IEC 61131-3 standard, a global guideline for how PLCs should be programmed. The 5 languages include ladder diagram, function block diagram, structured text, sequential function chart, and instruction list. Ladder is great for relay style logic. Function block is ideal for analog and math heavy routines. Structured text works well for complex calculations. Instruction list is now deprecated. And then there is a SFC, a flowchart style approach designed for sequential operations. Sequential Function Chart, or an SFC, is actually based on GRAFCET standard, a graphical way of organizing control logic into steps, transitions, and actions. IEC-16131-3 adopted it to bring structure and clarity to complex machine sequences. Every SFC chart is made up of 4 key elements. First, the step. It represents a specific phase of your process. Next, the action. It is the logic executed while the step is active. Then comes the transition. It defines the condition that allows the chart to move to the next step. And finally, the qualifier. This determines when the action starts and stops. When combined, these elements allow you to create a readable, modular, and scalable control logic perfect for systems with startup phases, process steps, or mode control. In the next video, we will build your first SFC chart from scratch inside Studio 5000. Subscribe so you don't miss it.